Hi friends, let me show you these RGB string lights that I received for reviewing purposes. These are really nice lights because they change colors, okay? So you can put them wherever you want to have a nice lighting in the night. It has this special closing system so water won't come in, and you can control them in two different ways. This is the user manual. You can use the remote control, or you could even have an app in your phone to use them. So we're gonna get rid of this plastic protecting the battery, and let's test them before installing them. So we're just going to test them here. We're going to install them later. So you can press on in the remote, and it enters like a variety of colors and intensities mode, like an auto mode, okay? You could change modes if you want them to be turning on and off, if you want them to have another kind of pattern. Okay, changing colors, all of them at the same time. So there are numerous modes that you could have. Just red, green, blue. You could have different preset colors here: orange, green, violet, blue. Just warm white, cold white, and you could have some memory presets. Okay? Can have more intensity, more speed, less speed, slower. So, well, you have plenty ways of configuring them to meet your how you like your patio or your playroom or wherever you want to have them lighted with these beautiful LED RGB lights. Thank you. Now we are going to show you the different ways, just like yellow, blue, violet, green, orange, more brightness, and different configurations. Okay, red, green, blue. You can have different configurations, and white, warm white, cold white. And I think it's a nice way of lighting your patio, your game room, or any special place that you want to have with nice color lighting. Thank you.